G'day traders! The closing bell has just rung on a day that will go down as one of the most volatile and high-stakes sessions in ASX history. On this Monday, March 2nd, 2026, we saw the true meaning of a two-speed market as the index wrestled with the outbreak of a major conflict in the Middle East. What a difference a weekend makes. After closing at record highs on Friday, the ASX 200 opened in a free fall this morning, dropping as much as 0.86% as news of the US-Israeli strikes on Iran hit the terminals. But the story of the day was the incredible afternoon recovery. The index clawed back almost all its losses to finish virtually flat, up a tiny 0.003% or 2.7 points to a new record close of 9,198.6. We saw a massive rotation. Investors dumped tech and banks and piled into energy and gold with a ferocity we haven't seen in years. It was a sea of green for anything pulled out of the ground. The energy sector was the undisputed heavyweight champion, surging over 4.5%. Woodside, WDS, jumped 6.8% to $30.24, while Santos, STO, rocketed 6.6%. The reason? Oil prices are on a tear, with Brent crude spiking as high as $82 a barrel, following reports that the Strait of Hormuz has been effectively shuttered. Gold miners also had a vertical day as the safe haven trade went into overdrive. Genesis Minerals, GMD, lead the pack, up 8.4%, while Northern Star, NST, and Evolution, EVN, both saw gains over 5% as gold futures surged toward $5,364 an ounce. On the flip side, it was a brutal day for growth and travel. Zipco was the worst performer on the 200, tanking 8.4%, followed closely by Mesoblast. The Nvidia glow has officially faded as rising energy costs threaten to reignite inflation, sending the tech sector down nearly 3%. Qantas, QAN, also felt the heat, dropping 5.43%. With major hubs like Dubai and Doha closed and fuel prices skyrocketing, the travel sector is facing its biggest headwind since the pandemic. Financials were also a major drag, with the big four banks falling between 0.65% and 2.9% as global risk appetite evaporated. We've ended the day at a record, but it's a nervous record. All eyes tonight will be on Wall Street's reaction to the weekend's events and any further escalation in the Gulf. Tomorrow, we get the ABS building approvals data, but frankly, the market only cares about one thing: the price of crude. I'll be back at 8:30 a.m. with the morning bell to see if this recovery can hold. Check the legal disclaimer on your screen. Stay grounded, and I'll see you then.